Welcome back to my YouTube channel, and in today's video I'm going to be talking about the circumscription of a circle on a triangle. So now let us get some kind of question. So let's say we have a triangle of 50 millimeter by another 50 millimeter then 40 millimeter on these three sides. So how are we going to inscribe a circle on the triangle? First of all, let us get the triangle. Now we have 50 millimeter at the bottom. So now the bottom of the triangle is 50 millimeter. Let's mark 20 here to 25. So that is our 50 millimeter. We mark it as A to B. And now the one side of the triangle is 40 and the other side is 50. So in order to get that type of triangle, we are going to use our compass. So using our compass, we find for 50 on the compass, from 30 to 35 is equals to 50. So we mark where we want to be 50. Let's say our A to B, our A to C is equals to 50. So we mark here as 50. We create some kind of arc. Then at our B is 40. So we measure 4 centimeter, which is 40 millimeter. We measure 4 centimeter, which is 40 millimeter. Then we come to our B side and mark it. So from here, the point at which the two arcs meet, we are going to be drawing a line there from A here to the point at which that two arcs meet. So we are going to be having A to this arc, then from B to the point at which they meet there. So those points were points C. We have here as 50, here as 50, and here as 40 millimeter. So now, how do we circumcise a circle on this triangle right here? Well, it's going to be really easy. So we are just going to be bisecting two lines out of any of the three lines right here. I can bisect line AB and line AC. I can bisect line AB and line BC. I can bisect line AC and line BC. Any two, I'm just going to bisect only two. And where the two lines meet is going to be the center of the circle. Then I'm going to circumscribe. So how do I bisect? I've explained in my former videos how I bisect. You can check my former videos for that. So I just make sure that the measurement is more than half of the line. So right here, I'm bisecting line A to C. So line A to C, I mark it here and I mark it here. And from that C again, I mark it here and I mark it here. So now I have bisected line A to C. I will draw my line so I do not make mistakes. So now that is for my line A to C. Then I pick any other line, let's say line A to B, and I also bisect again. So I just pick it. I can try to make it a little bit more longer or shorter. Let me try to make it a little bit longer so it can be different. So I mark line here, I mark it here, and I mark it down here. It's a little bit too much, but it's okay. From here to I mark it I mark it down here and I also mark it up here. So now as we have marked it, we are going to bisect that one again from here to that place. So automatically, so right here, this point right here will be the center of our circle O. So now from that point right there, we are going to be drawing our circle. So now from this point O, we can pick any edge of the triangle. You pick any edge of the triangle. See this edge and this edge. You see that it matches with almost all the edges. So we pick any edge of this from the center. We pick any edge. Try to make sure it rhyme with it. So then we draw. Fuck. We draw our circle. So now, right here we have our circle on top of our triangle, and that is the circumcision of a circle on a triangle. So thank you very much.